Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, and welcome to this video about vitamin D3. Today I'm giving you a complete guide to understanding how and when to use it. Vitamin D3 is super important for strong bones and a healthy immune system. It's usually recommended for people with vitamin D deficiency, osteoporosis, and some autoimmune diseases. It's also a good option if you don't get a lot of sun. So how does vitamin D3 work? Basically, it helps your body absorb calcium, which is essential for keeping your bones strong and healthy. And as a bonus, it also strengthens your immune system to fight off infection. The starting dose can vary, but it's usually 1,000 to 2,000 international units, IU, per day. For long-term maintenance, it's best to follow your doctor's instructions, as the dose may change depending on your case and your blood levels of vitamin D. Although vitamin D3 is safe for most people, it can have some side effects. The most common ones are nausea, vomiting, and loss of appetite. In very rare cases, it can cause high levels of calcium in the blood, which can lead to more serious symptoms. So very important, don't take more than the recommended dose, and always talk to your doctor before you start taking any supplements. To sum it up, vitamin D3 is essential for your health, but use it carefully and always under the supervision of your doctor. Follow their recommendation, live a healthy life, and take care of your health. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine